G20 stands for Group of 20 Nations. G20 comprises of 19 countries and the European Union. The 19 countries are Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, Germany, France, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, United Kingdom, and United States. Thus, it consists of world's largest economies, including both industrialized and developing nations. It was founded on 26 September 1999. Its headquarters is at Mexico. The objective was policy coordination between its members in order to achieve global economic stability, sustainable growth, to promote financial regulations that reduce risks and prevent future financial crises, to create a new international financial architecture. IORA stands for the Indian Ocean Rim Association. The vision for IORA originated during a visit by the late President Nelson Mandela of South Africa to India in 1995. It was formerly known as Indian Ocean Rim Initiative and Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation. It is a regional organization consisting of 23 states bordering the Indian Ocean. It is a regional forum bringing together representatives of government, business, and academia for promoting cooperation and closer interaction among people. It was founded on 6th March 1997. Its headquarters is at Mauritius. The objective is promoting balanced development and sustainable growth in the regions of member states, to consider areas that provide maximum opportunities for developing economic cooperation, and to help member countries achieve an enhanced flow of goods, services, investment, and technology. EU stands for European Union. The Maastricht Treaty was signed on 7th Feb 1992 to create the European Union. The European Union was formally established when the Maastricht Treaty came into force on 1st November 1993. The European Union traces its origin to the ECSC, that is European Coal and Steel Community, and EEC, that is European Economic Community, established by the 1951 Treaty of Paris and 1957 Treaty of Rome. Its headquarters is at Brussels in Belgium. The main points of the Maastricht Treaty are as follows. First point, It laid the foundations of the European Union. Second, it introduced the European citizenship, allowing citizens to reside in and move freely between member states. Third, it laid the foundations for the euro, that is a single European currency, which is followed in 19 European countries. Fourth, it laid the ground for the creation of Schengen area, leading to Schengen visa, which has been adopted by 26 member states. Fifth, it developed an internal tariff single free market and ensured free movement of all its citizens. Sixth, it established a common foreign and security policy. Seventh, it developed close cooperation on justice and home affairs. The European Union evolved from a political and economic union of 27 members to an organization dealing with various policy areas like climate change, environment, defense, security, external relations, migration, agriculture, fisheries. Thus, European Union was established to promote peace in the European continent and for European integration.